Hello everyone and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit email templates in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to the Start Setup menu and then click on Setup. And basically and simply, we need just to go to the Quick Find and search for the email templates. So from here, we will find the email templates and we can start modifying them. So as you can see, there are many things for the email, and if you don't find it, you can find the email templates. And of course, it depends on any version that you are using. Either you are using the classic Salesforce or the Lightning one. So if we are using Lightning, let's just go for the Lightning email templates. So here we can just let user create, edit, and delete the email template folders, and that's it. So also you can go to your classics or wherever where you have your templates, and you will need just to click on any templates that you already have. So I'm just going to click on this one, and from here we can see the email templates. So now we need just to edit it, or the edit depends on what you want to edit, either the HTML version if you are familiar with it, and basically we need just to load, and from here you can start editing your body or the email body from here. And after that, you will need just to click and save and cancel. Now, if you want to just edit the properties of your email, you can simply go to the properties and start choosing your subjects and the objects that you want to uh, the fields and objects that you want to manipulate, and then you will need just to click save. And if you want to edit the text versions or just you will need just to click here and you will find your template as a text. So basically this is the text body. You can start adding some text that would be shown from there, and of course you can start using your variable's name that will be applied. So and at the end you will need just to see the preview and see if it fits for what you would like in this email template. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.